Do you want to mirror your Android sweep or iPhone to your PC or laptop easily? In this video, I will show you how to do it using any mirror. I will be demonstrating it on Android with the help of USB cable for the fastest and more stable connection. But don't worry, the same software also support iCool. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Screen mirroring is perfect for tutorial, presentation, gaming and screen recording. Today in this video, I will show you how to mirror your Android screen with the help of USB cable using any video. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First, download and install any mirror on your PC. You will find the official download link in the description. Now connect your Android phone to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure it is a data cable, not just for charging. On your Android phone, open Setting, then click on System. Go to About Phone, tap Build Number 7 times. You will see a message saying Developer Option Enabled. Next, go back to Setting, open Developer Option, enable USB debugging, tap Allow when prompted. Now open any mirror on your PC and select Android device. And that's it, your Android screen is now mirrored on your PC in the real time using USB connection, no Wi-Fi needed. Using a cable give you faster response time, better video quality, stable connection, perfect setup for screen recording and live demos. Any mirror also let you record your phone screen. Take screenshot and stream your screen during meeting or live session. If this video helped you, give it a thumb up, comment down if you have any question. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.